What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can start dropshipping on Etsy without Aliexpress. Now a lot of people are using Aliexpress to dropship on Etsy, and there is nothing wrong with that, but I have found a very good alternative to Aliexpress, which is CJDropshipping. Like a lot of dropshippers on Etsy, they are using CG because of a lot of reasons, including the shipping time, and also on CG you can find a lot of items that you can sell on Etsy, because a lot of you guys know that you can sell items that are not handmade. You can only sell handmade products. I have mentioned this on all my videos about Etsy dropshipping, and in this video, like, I'm gonna be showing you how you can start this business right now. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for CG dropshipping, as you can see, and you want to create an account here. And creating an account on CG is very easy, so I'm just going to do that right now. Click on sign in or register and create an account here. Now after, guys, you create an account on CG, go to your Etsy and like create a seller account if you haven't done that already. If you don't want, you can create, like, I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a seller account in a few seconds. Now what you need to do, guys, now is you want to create an account on CG Dropshipping. And what I like about CG Dropshipping is whenever someone places an order on your Etsy account, like whenever you sell an item, CG will take care of everything. They will ship the item automatically to the customer, and you don't even have to do anything. You will copy, they will send the item automatically. They know the address because you are going to connect your CG to Etsy, and like CG will be able to see the information of the customer on Etsy. Now I'm just going to remove my CG account, and I'm going to, let me just check. Okay, I'm going to remove this CG account because I already linked it to an Etsy, as you can see, an Etsy shop. Now I'm going to delete it because I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can start using CG to start this business, because a lot of YouTubers are not mentioning CG. Probably they don't know that a lot of dropshippers on Etsy, they are using CG, not AliExpress. Like a lot of people are stopped using AliExpress because of the shipping time and other reasons. Now I have made a video about this, about how you can how you can use CG with Etsy. Now as you can see, I have successfully deleted my CG account. I'm going to create another one. So click register. Okay, click register using your Google or Facebook or whatever. Now I have successfully created an account on CG. Now in the top left, you want to click on authorization and click on Etsy. Of course you can connect this with Shopify. A lot of people use it with Shopify, but right now let's see how you can connect it with Etsy. Click on Etsy, and after that, guys, you want to click on Add Store. As you can see, you want to click on Add Store. And after, guys, you click on Add Store, you will have to connect your Etsy to let me log into my Etsy account. You will have to connect your Etsy to CG. Okay, now as you can see, authorization success. Now for you will have to scroll down and click on grant access. Like Etsy will ask you if you want to give the permission to CG, so that you can then connect your CG to Etsy. Now you will have to click on grant access because I already linked this before. That's why it didn't ask me, guys, to give access to CG dropshipping. Okay, now the most important thing, guys, is seeing this authorization success. CG will make your dropshipping business much easier. Now scroll down and click on list now. Now you want to search for products that are handmade. Okay, don't list anything that is electronic or anything like that. So to make this safe for you, you want to go to Etsy and search for what people are selling on Etsy. Okay, For example, if they are selling iPhone cases, you can search for iPhone cases on let me check, on Etsy. Okay, don't ever list something that is not on Etsy, because Etsy doesn't support products that are not handmade. You can only list handmade products. So I have mentioned this a lot of times. I just want you guys to make sure that you don't make the mistakes that I made when I first started Etsy dropshipping. Okay, now like I said, you want to search for products that are that are proven to work on Etsy, and search for these products on CG. Okay, I don't know why it takes a lot of time to reload this picture. I don't know, probably I'm just going to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again. That's probably the problem. Okay, I'm just going to do that right now. Okay, now I'm going to reload the page. Okay, so as you can see, I search for iPhone keys. For, as you can see, you want to go with something that looks like it's handmade. For example, don't go with iPhone keys that looks like it came from a big company or anything like that. Just a simple keys, because that's what people search for on Etsy. Okay, so I would just go with this one. Okay, as you can see, this one looks like it's handmade. Also, this one looks like it's handmade. This one looks it's handmade. This one again, this one. So just find the keys, okay, and then click on it. And yeah, like I said, you have to see what people are selling on Etsy and search for it on CG. Now after you search for it, you just want to click on list. Okay, after you click on item on CG, you want to click on list, and here you want to add tags. So for example, test, I'm going to do that test here. And the price of the item is going to be because like CG will take $7 of the sale. So if I am selling this for $20, CG will take $7 every time this item sells on your Etsy. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. By the way, I reply to every single comment. Now I'm going to go with $20. I'm going to click on OK, and this is like I have like I'm going to make $10 profit, because keep in mind that Etsy takes like a percentage of the sale, and also the listing price. Like whenever you list an item, Etsy will charge you like 30 cents. You want to click on list it now. Okay, now after you click guys on list it now, you will find this exact item on your shop, on your Etsy shop. And every time this item sells, as you can see, it says here listed successfully. Every time this item sells, CG will ship the item automatically to the customer, and you just keep the profit. Okay, so hopefully this video helped you. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment, and drop a like on this video if this video helped you. See you guys in the next video.